Na sila reklamo siya. Isulat siya. Isaba man sila. And then, this one. We made sure that in this year's school calendar, teachers will have 30 straight days of rest during the break. Without any DepEd activity that requires volunteer work. Ay nung kaguol kay principal, kaya kami bahala niya. All activities with voluntary participation is scheduled after the said 30-day break. So, kung ambot o kanang ganahan pa ba mo magbasa o department order, pero katong department order nga naa dito ang school calendar, makita ninyo, dunay 30 days dito nga walay nakabutang nga activity. And we intend to release a memo sa ato ang regions, divisions, and sa ato ang mga school heads and principals that they must answer if there is any complaints nga gipa-report ang teacher during the 30 days na break.